You are going to love the 2013 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.